Does your drone sound boring? Let's fix that. First, you want to plug in your drone to your computer. Then you want to head over to ESC Configurator. Next, hit connect and power on your drone. Go over and click read settings. Now you should have all this. Now go to the melody editor and you have all of these different melodies to choose from. Pick one that you like from the list and press play to see what it sounds like. Accept all and press write melodies. Now you should be done and your drone is going to sound a lot better.